By creating a product feedback policy, your team will have a standard process to follow to gather and manage feedback from customers, ensuring customers have a voice as you evolve your product. In this exercise, you'll determine how you'll manage and weigh customer feedback. You can also create a document you can share internally and/or externally to explain the process you'll follow. To get started, find the Create a Product Feedback Policy exercise in your course workbook. Here, you can document the 5 components of your feedback policy. The first component is your approach to product feedback. This is a statement that explains the importance of feedback to your organization and what you will do with that feedback. Also consider what customers gain by providing feedback. The second component is how customers can give their feedback. Your policy should describe the process step by step for submitting feedback and who reviews it. The third component is what happens to feedback after it is submitted. This is a statement that should answer questions like, how can customers track the status of feedback? Will customers be notified when the feature request is released? The fourth component is frequently asked questions. Anticipate questions that you might be asked about the policy and consider how you would respond. The fifth component is sharing the policy. Document how the policy will be shared, considering the various communication channels available to your team.